In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a sheet in Smartsheet. Changing ownership is really important anytime someone leaves a team, changes roles, or you simply want another person to take full control of a sheet, report, or dashboard. Ownership affects who can manage sharing, permissions, and some advanced settings, so it's worth doing this carefully. First, start by opening the specific Smartsheet item whose ownership you want to transfer. This can be a sheet, a report, or a dashboard. Make sure you're opening the exact item you want to change, especially if you have multiple versions or similarly named files. You'll need to be the current owner or have the right permissions to make this change. Once the item is open, look toward the top right corner of the Smartsheet window and click the Share button. This is where you control who has access and what level of access they have. Give it a second to load, especially if you're working with a larger list of collaborators. In the Share panel, find the section labeled People with Access. This is a list of everyone who currently has access to the item, along with their permission levels. Carefully scroll through this list and locate the person you want to become the new owner. It helps to double-check their email address if you see multiple similar names, so you're assigning ownership to the right person. Once you've found them, look at their current permission level. This might be something like Viewer, Editor, or Admin. Click on that permission level to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Make Owner. Go ahead and select that option. By doing this, you're essentially telling Smartsheet that this person should now have full control over the item. After selecting Make Owner, Smartsheet will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is a safeguard to make sure you really want to transfer ownership, since you may lose certain controls once the transfer is complete. Review the message, and if everything looks correct, click OK to confirm the transfer request. Once you confirm, ownership will be transferred to that person. They'll now be responsible for managing permissions and overall control of the item. It's a good idea to let them know the change has been made, especially if this is part of a handover or transition process. And that's all you need to do to change the ownership of an individual Smartsheet item.